Hello, you guys. Welcome to the Horn Family TV. My husband was supposed to be doing this with me, but it looks like I'm going to do it alone today, which is absolutely fine because what I'm about to show you guys is just that easy. We don't need men for this task. So I'm going to be hanging up my frameless mirrors there onto my wall. I'm going to show you guys the tools that is required for this. So we need our drill. I have a drill because I'm not about to do all that hammering and stuff. So I have a drill here. And then you can get these little clips from Home Depot. Little mirror clips. They come with the screws and they also come with anchors. So that's easy. That's very good that everything is all in one. You don't even have to worry about it. So I've already put my mirrors up to my wall. And as you can see, I traced it, outlined my mirrors. It's 2 of them. So here we go. So first, we went ahead and traced it. Now, I am putting in the anchors. So what I'm doing right now is taking the drill, and the drill bit, I don't remember the size, but I'll put it in the description. I went ahead and did like a pre-hole so that when I screwed in the anchors, it'll be easy for those to go through because they're like little plastic things. So, I mean, you don't want to hammer that into the wall because then it's going to bend it. But that's what I'm going to do first. So let me go ahead and do that. So I screwed those in just a little bit. So now I'm going to go ahead and just give them a little tap, tap, tap. Okay, so now that I put the anchors in, let me show you guys how they'll look. So just like these, they're just going to be flushed up along. Now I'm going to go ahead and screw in the clips with the nail, which I have here, right here. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to okay, so I got the top ones already done. So they'll just kind of look like this. And now I'm going to do the bottom ones. Easy. So I went ahead, cleaned up the mirrors. They're looking all good. We are looking good. Excuse the background, that's not the point. The point is that we, ladies, were able to put together this project without a man. Anyways, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more videos from the Horn family.